Hi friends, welcome back to Live Your Best Life with Cam. I'm so glad that you have joined me today. For those of you who have subscribed, I want to thank you so much for subscribing, and those of you who have not, what are you waiting on? Click that button down below and hit the notification bell as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so in today's video, I want to show you how I achieve this look. Don't you love it? And guess what? There is no cornrows in this, because guess what? I cannot cornrow to save my life. So there is no cornrows. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this done, keep watching. I used the Lulu Tressed hair. I used 2 packs of this, 2.5 packs. Yes, I just picked it up at my local beauty supply store. All right, so this is the hair, and you can use a similar hair. It doesn't have to be this one. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, after which I separated and placed my hair in 3 sections or braids. I also secured it with rubber bands. I also slicked down my edges with Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel to make my hair nice and smooth and be ready and prepared for this style. I then proceeded to crochet the hair onto my natural hair as shown, working my way up from the back to the sides and all the way up to the front until all the spaces were filled. So I'm pretty much trying to fill up the front here because this is a full head of hair. I've used 2 1/4 pack so far. So here we go. And to do the front, I am using them in single strands now. Single strands, and I'll just put it in, and I'm doing these braids a little different, the ones at the front, so I'll just go one time and then the next time I just pull it like that. So this is what it looks like. Right, just cut it and shape it to your liking. Love it. Feeling good, like I should. Feeling good, like I should. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that you were inspired, and just remember to live your best life. All right, if you have not subscribed, remember to do so now. For now, it's your girl Cam saying peace out.